15, 20, 40, 200x and a double. Let's add a 10x. Oh my god, 10x top stuff. The biggest multiplier is 2,000.
Boom. Blue coin. 2x for the blue coin, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the round. Oh, flip-o-matic machine. Quite tricky today. Let's get back to it. All right, 6,262 winners out here. 47 SoundCloud jackpot now. Let's do an epic win with the happening. We better get some cash chance, pachinkos, and crazy times out here as well. We gotta wake them up. So place those bets, clap your hands. Let's see what we're going for this time. Betting time is closed. Good luck to all of you Tigers. Let's go. All right, let's go. Good luck to you. We got crazy time with the 4x onto that top slot here. Can we get it? Can I bet that dog? Can we get to the CT? Come on. Yes. Woo! Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. We got the key, baby. We got to the key to the Wonderland. Let's see what's behind them doors and let's see what we're cooking up. Come with me. Look, Mom, we made it. We have made it to the crazy town. Yeehaw! And this ain't no regular crazy town. We have a 4x top slot, so let's apply it to all the lovely multipliers we have here on the wheel. So let's see what we can go for. So yeah, guys, you will have to decide between those three colorful flappers on top of the wheel. The green one, the blue one, the yellow one. Whatever your flapper lands on, that's what you're getting. So it could be a double, could be a triple, could be any kind of a multiplier. And yeah, green, you gotta decide. The green one, the blue one, the yellow one, it's up to you. Looks like the most popular one, use the blue one in the middle. But who's gonna get the top win of 400x? I don't know. I would love to see some doubles and triples. Let's see what we're getting out here. Vamos! Good luck! Oi, oi, oi! 200x out of the yellow flapper, 8,395.
Alright guys, let's get some big wins. Big wins. Correct on crazy time. Guys, we got it. What? Insane. Follow me. Welcome. Welcome to Crazy Time. Woo! 4x multiplier, guys. Everything is multiplied. Bam. Okay. Beautiful. So choose your color now. Green, blue, or yellow. Alright. So highest is 400x. Good luck. Ooh, 60x on green, 100x on blue, 200x on yellow. Congratulations, everybody! 11,545 winners. Good job. What was the top side? It was 4x. Hello, guys. Well, you're the lucky ones. No need to.
Oh, yeah. By the way, it came out. Better close luck. It's a cash in 7 times multi. Have you already seen it, guys? Indeed, Squid Game 2nd season. as sister told me that it get released recently. And yo, we're hitting in the cash hunt, ladies and gentlemen. It's 7 times top slot. Woo! Do I smell a new highest win of the day? Let's check. The maximum multiplier rise to be to 100x, but that's not a maximum. As I got 7 times top slot, so every single multiplier at the moment goes up 7 times. Woo! Makes the maximum to be the 700x. Good luck. We're having a fantastic multipliers all around the board, guys. So wish you good luck to find out 700x then. Beautiful other multipliers. Every single multi get covered with emoji. Under any emoji, and a multiplier could be hidden up to that 700x. All what you need to do is to choose one spot which you like the most or hate the most. Hunt it down, hold it tight. With a reveal, we'll see what did you get. Also remember, the previous sequence is not the same anymore, and on any spot, under any emoji, it could be any multiplier to that 700x. Ready? Steady. Here goes the reveal. Where is the 700? Up, 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 up. Oh, there. On the bottom.
Bye-bye. Some seconds now still left for y'all to prepare for it. Otherwise, here we go. Good luck. Wow, wow, wow. I'll take that, Cam, the man. 7x on cash. That could be hot. Listen, it's getting hot in here, you guys, because we are getting that top slot. Well, how about that? Call me hot any day, guys. We're getting even hotter results here. 7x right there. Delicioso. Look at that. Beautiful multiplier 700x, the highest. Let's get this one rolling. All right. Enjoy. Enjoy the process. Yes, it's all about picking now. Which icon to go for, which emoji to go for, guys. It's all about that right now. Enjoy the moments. Maybe auto pick option. Some of you might want to go for that, but either way, fingers crossed now, everybody. These multipliers here, super delicious. So let's do the reveal. And hey, here's that 700. Let's see how many of you got it, guys. Let's go back at the wheel here. Yes. Look at that. 6.1k total winners. You get some beautiful wins all across.
7x crazy time. Ho-ho! We got it, guys. Big money incoming for sure. Let's get those payouts. Follow me, everybody. Woo! And would you like, look at that, guys. Here we are. Let's apply that 7x multiplier to the whole wheel. Yeah, buddy. Louis told us as always, yeah. Louis knows. He's the one. And decision sum now. 3 flappers to choose from. 700x, the highest prize on the wheel. Wow. Man, how about double? Let's get some doubles as well. People can decide. Vast majority going for the blue one. 700x on the line. Let's do this. $105x on green, 175 on yellow, 350 on blue. Hey! We got it at some 7,035 winners. D-Man, Sagelar, top winners. Good job. Let's get and see you now.
Guess who's back again? Shady's back, tell a friend. 2,290 total winners. Congratulations to each one of you. And now, let's replace. So it was 25, 15, and 50. Cash on 7x.
Oh boy, that sounds pretty nice. Would you look at that? We got a cash hunt. Welcome players, welcome to the cash hunt. Welcome to our lovely greenish place. Now let me check those multipliers. What do we have? So currently the highest is 100. That's on the 7x top slots. Would you look at this shiny screen? Highest multi 700 and good luck. Whew. It's getting hotter, isn't it? We're in the timber. You better move. You better dance. Let's get the night. You won't remember. I'll be the one. You won't forget. So it's time for you to shine. Make your decisions. If you won't make your decisions, they will be made automatically. I wish you all the best of luck. We'll choose it, and of course, let's see what you got. What you got? I'm excited. Where's the 700? The one on 700. Wow, 525. It's pretty. 7 was right on the other side, so I'll see you back at the wheel. Congratulations. Okay. Okay, a lot of you. 2,300. Good luck. No bad. Good luck. Now cash on is multiplied by 10 times in the top slot. And we got cash on with 10x, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Woo-hoo. Wow, that is incredible. What a big top slot multiplier. Okay, a little dance. And let's multiply everything by 10 times. Look at the magic. So max multiply 1000x. Yeah, let's mix in. Now it's your decision time. Pick a symbol. And get your multiplier. Don't forget about auto pick option. This is something for you automatically if you don't want to choose. Now let's see what we got. Ta-da! Okay, wow, that's beautiful. Wow. Congratulations.
If you're referring to me as dude, I'd say then you're answering your question for yourself. So yeah, I am. We got a 5, baby. 698 winners. Bumble top of the list. Bets over the let's spin again. How long is my session? Around 30 more minutes. 30 more minutes and then I'm done here. That's close. Good luck. Cashing with the 10x top slot. Hold up. Wait a minute. Yeah, baby. Cashing 10x. I don't know if I'll be back here, but I mean, enjoy this cashing. I don't know if I'll be back here at this very spot, but yeah. I still have much time to go for me, so you know. 10x coming in just like this. Let's see, come on, 500x, 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 100x. It'll do. Still, it's gonna be 1K, so. Grenade! Oh, all right. Woo! 1000x. I don't know where, but yeah, good luck. Let's, yeah, 1000x. There at the bottom. 1K. I'm expecting like at least 50 players to get 1000x. Come on, baby. Vince, I'm expecting for you to be one of them as well. Pick a target, any target. If you don't know how to pick, well, come on, baby. Let's get that 1000, baby. I would hope that everyone will get that 1000. Not gonna lie. I would want to see it revealing. And the 1000 is right there. Let's go back to the wheel. Let's see.
There's no need to say. Bets now closed. Remember Pachinko with 10x top slot. No way. Okay. Okay. I cannot believe what I'm about to say. Welcome to the Pachinko. We have 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 40, 200x and a double. Let's add a 10x. Oh my god, 10x top slot. The biggest multiplier is 2,000. Oh my god, I cannot believe. Well, I'm wishing you all the best of luck. And I'm keeping my fingers crossed for you. All the Pachinko. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations to 1,164 winners. Somebody just won 40,000. Amazing. Compliments. Betting time to now. You can place your bets. Get ready for the next round.